Welcome to spicy Malaysian noodle curry. This comforting and flavorful dish will warm your soul. Here's how to make it in just 30 minutes. 1. Prepare the ingredients. 1 cup uncooked yellow noodles. 1 sweet potato, peeled and cubed. 2 cloves garlic minced. 1 tablespoon grated ginger. 1 tablespoon grated turmeric. 1 tablespoon soybean paste. 2 tablespoons tomato puree. 1 cup vegetable broth. 2 cloves minced garlic. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional. Egg or tofu chopped. 2. Cook the noodles in a saucepan. Bring vegetable broth to a boil. Add the sweet potato and cook for 20-25 minutes until tender. Drain the sweet potato and set aside. 3. Make the curry sauce. In a large wok or skillet, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the garlic and ginger and cook for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Stir in the turmeric, soybean paste, and tomato puree. Cook for another 2-3 minutes. 4. Add the noodles and stir fry for 2-3 minutes until they are heated through. Pour in the curry sauce and stir fry for another 2-3 minutes until the sauce has thickened. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the noodles hot. Garnish with the fried egg or tofu if using. Enjoy your spicy Malaysian noodle curry.